Hey there, this is Ms. Wang, here to explain the drawing shapes assignment. So starting in Edmodo, you'll see that there's a link to a PDF with information about the assignment, how to turn it in, and how it will be graded. Okay, so your starting place is this link. So you go to this link and you open up the starter project and you'll see a bunch of event blocks that needs to be filled in. So basically you start by programming the script that's going to initialize the starting state of the sprite when the space key is pressed. So you should clear all the pen marks, go to the starting location, and prepare the pen to draw. Okay, so the blocks that you're going to need will be blocks in the motion drawer, which is right here, and the pen drawer. Okay. So the next one tells you to draw a square with side length of 100 using the move to, which actually should be go to coordinates. Okay, so so under the motion drawer, you're gonna see this block called go to. So it's not actually move to; it's called go to. Okay, and then and it allows you to input the coordinates for x and y. Okay, so you have to figure out basically what are the four kind of corners of the square that you need to go to in order to draw that square. Okay, so you're going to need basically this block right here in order to complete that. And then for the next script, it's basically to draw the same square, the side length of 100, but using point in direction and move. Okay, so that would be this block right here and this block right here. Okay, and of course you have to change these appropriately, the inputs appropriately. So you can see right here that point in direction 90 is facing to the right, negative 90 is to the left, 0 is up, and 180 is down. Okay, so you have to think about, okay, well, right now, right, the script is pointing to, the sprite is pointing to the right, so that's 90, okay, so, and then I need it to move a certain distance, right, in that direction, okay, so that would draw a line, right, and then from there, then you point in a different direction, or you draw, and then draw another line, and then point another direction, draw the next line, and finally the last one, and then you should have a square, right? The next script is to draw a square, okay, using a turn and move. Okay, so you have these turn blocks. You could use either one of these, right? So let's say we use this to turn to the right and move. Okay, so again, you have to think about, well, what direction am I pointing in right now, right? Move, certain number of steps, and then turn, right? If I turn to the right, I'll be turning and facing down, okay, and so on. So think about how you would use these blocks to draw that square. The next one is to draw a blue triangle, and you can basically use any of these previous three techniques. So you can, if you want to, you can use the coordinates, you can use point and direction and move, or turning and move, okay? And think about like which one of these methods is really the easiest for drawing a triangle, okay? So, and then finally to draw an envelope, and in case you need to know what that looks like, it's on the PDF. So right here, okay, so the triangle should, the envelope should look something like this. Okay, and so if you do all of those scripts, basically you would get a 3, okay, on the grading scale. Now if you want to get a 4, which means advanced, you would do one of these 3 extensions, draw a circle, draw a smiley face, and drawing a rainbow. And because the smiley face and the rainbow are particularly challenging, if you complete those correctly, you'll also be eligible for a raffle ticket. But remember, do these extensions only after you complete the basics. Okay, so do the basic stuff first and then do the extension. Let me show you what, kind of an example of what it should look like. So if I press spacebar, right, it should reset, and then 1, drawing the square, press spacebar again to reset. 2 should draw the same square, spacebar again to reset. 3, same square, and then T, draw a blue triangle, and then finally E to draw a envelope. Okay, so to turn it in, you need to go back to your completed script. save as, okay, because you need to save, right? Because right now this project is mine, right? See that username, there's my name, right? That's a starter. So you need to save it into your own cloud account, okay? And of course, update this with the name of your partners. So let's see, drawing partner name 1 and partner name 2. Okay, please save it. All right, and now you go to File again and Open. Okay, and then you can go to, let's see, where is that? Drawing, here it is. So you go to Share. Okay, so yes, we want to publish. And then you open it again. Okay, that's important because you need to update this link up here. Okay, so open. Right, and now your username should update and your project name should update as well. Okay, so check the link, make sure that's all correct, and then you can copy and paste this to turn it in. You can, just paste the link here, pick a reaction, and then turn it in. Right, and then that is that.